everyone, today I bring you my vegan crepe recipe that is super easy to make and which are without eggs and dairy. They are perfect for a sweet vegan breakfast or just as a delicious dessert. First we whisk together the flour, baking powder, the sugar and the salt. Add the oil, the aquafaba and the vanilla extract, and gradually the non-dairy milk. I have tried a few different recipes to replace the eggs. I tried the flaxseed eggs, which gave a brittle crepe. I also tried to just simply leave out the egg, but this also didn't work out well for me. Finally, I replaced the eggs with aquafaba, either whipped or just as such, and those were by far the best. They came out perfectly soft. Pour the batter through a sieve and already start preheating a non-stick pan over medium-high heat and brush with some oil or vegan butter. Hold the pan off heat and add 1/3 of a cup of the batter and swirl to cool the pan. Then place the pan back on heat and cook for around 90 seconds until golden brown. Once the first side is ready, flip and cook the other side for around 30 to 60 seconds until golden brown. And voila, that's it! Within some minutes we prepared the perfectly soft, golden brown vegan crepe. So I hope you guys really enjoyed this video. If so, please don't forget to subscribe and to like this video and share it with your friends.